back to another video. This is your host Rajat Jadhav and you're watching my TV. So today in this topic we are going to cover how to create a social media post or a social media promotional post for you, your brand, anything. So today we are going to create a pizza promotion for social media. So if you are into this, then let's get this done, and please watch this till the end so that you don't miss in between steps. And if you have not watched my last video, which was on logo designing, you can click it in the top right corner and get it here. So without wasting your time, let's get started with this video. Let's create a design. uh, I'll click on the Instagram post as I need it for promotion. So this is how it looks. So you will get this page on starting. So we want pizza promotion. So first I'll take some elements from here. Elements are actually things which are used in the design. So I'll take frames. I want a mobile frame. I'm searching for it. So in this I want my pizza to show up. So I'll search for pizza. There are very few elements which we can show for free version. So I'll click and I'll drag it down like this. That's great. Or we can use any design, like we can use this design too, but the last one was better, I guess. So I'll change the background color to not yellow, maybe some. Okay, this is cool. So let's add some text. This will be good for me. This is a template, so we can use this too. Hmm, Get spicy pizza at your doorstep. So this is one thing. Let's ungroup that and order now and get 25% off. Done. So this is going to be the written text. Okay, spicy pizza. So let's. Okay, so this is the written text, and let's bring it in line. And if you have a brand, you can add your brand logo here. So let me add mine if it's available in this. Yeah, it's available here. So we'll keep it in the lower right corner. Then we want this to be a bit something. We'll change the shadow. Okay, this is nice. We will make it a bit offset. Now it's looking good. We will increase its size. Let's change this text. It's not looking that good, but now it's a bit. This is fine. This is fine for me. You can go according to your taste. Okay. So now we will get this on top here. We'll increase its size. Let's animate this. This is good. And you can add music too. If something is available for free, you can add. This is for free. I'm just showing it to you as an example. So we can add music in this animation too. So yeah, let's see the preview. quite good, right? You can increase the time here. If you want to increase the time, you can do it here. So now let's download this. I don't think music is okay. Okay, it's done. So let's download it here right now. MP4 video download. So this is how you can download your design and you can post it directly on Instagram. So this is one type of example. You can do many types. You can use almost all templates present in this for a social media. You can see here, right? Instagram post has these templates. You can use it for your benefit. You can see it here, juice beverage Instagram. It's all the same. You just need to change these photos inside. I'll just show you how. Juice. If you have a juice store, you can do this thing. See, you can just change. Click here, double click, new flavor, serving soon. Or else you can, what else you can do is you can just change it like this, and you can change the text here and make it as you want. Increase your boost immunity, and this will be on. You can change your colors too. So you can do it as purple and orange or anything you want. Depends on your requirement. So the video is downloaded now. You can have a look at your video. See, it's done. You can directly post it to your social media. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe if you have got any the knowledge from this. Thanks once again. Bye. See you next time.